Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to schedule when a product will be published on Shopify. For example, you can go over to the left-hand menu option and select products. And let's say I would like to schedule when this product will be released. All I would need to do is select the product name. After you have done that, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and right below publishing, you're going to select online store, and you're going to tap on the calendar icon. Then from there, you can select the date that you would like it to be published and time. So I can select Tuesday, then you could select the time right here. After you have done that, you're going to tap on schedule publishing. So it will automatically be released on that particular date. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save from the top navigation bar, and that's it. Once it has been saved, it will automatically be published on that date. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.